Right. Go along into Discord here.
Those weird wicks that show up sometimes.
Go look at SPY on the 5 and go look at the 8 o'clock candle.
All right, 1 second, guys.
A pre-market on pennies in a while because obviously liquidity's been absolutely fucking. Oh my god, dude! I wish I would have stayed in that trade. Look at it, Medley, MDLY. Fuck, I would have been up 30%.
What's up, everybody?
Nice.
What's up, bro?
Nothing much. Just hopping on YouTube now.
Damn, I don't think you want to see this. Right.
No, I know. I see it now, bro. I could have made so much more money.
Nah, I want to show you the bounce.
Oh, that's when I caught it.
You caught it right there?
Yeah, I caught it. So let me show you the screenshot where I caught it. Look at the screenshot up and look at the first blue circle.
Yeah, that's fine. All right.
You see it?
Yeah, I got it. Okay.
The first blue circle is where I caught it.
All right. All right. Let's start already then.
All right, cool. All right, everybody. 1 second, let me. All right, perfect. So, real quick, guys. Top news right now: U.S. weekly jobless claims have been seen falling. Consumer prices expected to rise further. The number of Americans filing new claims for unemployment benefits likely fell last week to the lowest level in nearly 15 months as consumer prices increased further in May as pandemic easing grip on the economy. Biden to donate 500 million Pfizer doses, urges others to join in. Joe Biden has plans to buy and donate 500 million doses of the Pfizer corona vaccine to more than 90 countries, while calling on the world's democracies to do their part to end the deadly pandemic. Tesla to launch a high-end model, is going. I don't know why they're putting this out. We already know about the Plaid. But it's their high performance version of the Model S, looking to basically be the next luxury. United to split major jet order between Boeing and Airbus. United Airlines is in talks to place a multi-billion-dollar order for single-aisle jets, potentially split for between Boeing and Airbus. U.S. stock index futures, they have moved in a really tight range, awaiting data which is likely to show a rise in inflation and play into the Federal Reserve's stance on tightening its policy. European shares a little change, while investors counted on the European Central Bank to maintain and accommodate policy stance at a meeting later today. Japan's market closed higher as shipping firms rose on prospect of more economic reopenings. Drug makers were boosted by reports of government support. Gold prices fell, pressured by a firm dollar. Oil prices rose a day after slipping on data indicating weak U.S.-driven season fuel demand. And initial jobless claims data is also due on the economic calendar later in the day. I don't know if you guys already heard about the whole GameStop thing. Actually, one of our members, one of my friends, was there at the meeting, and he met he camped out and tailgated there, and got to meet the GameStop social media or whatever relations, as well as the admins from Superstonk. So that was pretty cool. Yeah, he dressed as an ape and put bananas on the table and just sat there. All right, so Alibaba, the Chinese e-commerce company leader, plans to develop self-driving trucks with logistics subsidiary Cananio. I don't know, but that's pretty crazy. So now it's Baba and Baidu. Everybody's making cars. Make a car.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Anything else worth mentioning? Doesn't look like it. UPS, their price target actually got raised, which is crazy enough, but they got a price target raised to 243. So economic events today. When is the inflation news?
It already came out.
Where's that at?
It was just the CPI. You'll usually find those on Walter's thing.
I haven't checked the CPI yet. I'll have to go check at it.
Yeah, it's not. I mean, it's not good, but it's not. It is bad. Just 5% versus the 4.7 estimate. It is what it is.
So, I mean, SPY sure rejected all-time highs multiple times. I mean, what are we moving up here in futures right now? Oh wow. There's the Fetty. Morning, pal.
I only got two positions already. We're super stuck in range, dude. I'm gonna just wait pretty much to find trades during the session.
Okay.
Yeah, this range is blah.
Yeah, I'm looking at SPY right now, and it's. I think if anything, we might be able to hit 422.75. I'd say 422.75 before we might see a rejection. We have a very tight channel. We got the previous this last week's previous support now that we lost yesterday, so we're looking at chop, almost in a way. So.
I got 421.20. If we lose that today, then we're gonna head down.
Yeah. Futures moving kind of unusually.
Yeah, probably got volume today. Let's see.
So you're not really watching anything today?
No, I'm watching the video short below 688. That's a pretty strong support that we've been hanging around with. I'm watching that, and then maybe Facebook, but Facebook is stuck in a tight ass range, man. So Facebook might just pick me out and just leave me there getting chopped up. So not even really focus on that one, but I am on Tesla if it gets above 610. Because remember, we can pop, dude. Like we have had bad data and we have popped. Mm-hmm. You get me? We have had good data and we have dropped. So it doesn't really at this point it just trade the chart. And sadly, the charts are stuck in range. So now I gotta wait for the session to speed up.
They had news yesterday, right?
Who?
Facebook about some kind of watch or something.
Yeah, they're making like a smartwatch or some shit.
Dude, I think that's gonna be pretty big for them. If they can sell it, like if they can do a good job of marketing the product and selling it, I think that's going to be massive for them. And here's why I say that. Not only are they going to be able to generate additional revenue from sales of the watch, which even if they were to sell those things at cost, the amount of data that they're going to be able to collect from you and
the thing,
sell.
Yeah.
Oh God, dude, that's going to be another level of
the issue
revenue.
is that.
Yeah, that's I would venture to guess that Facebook might, if they can sell it, but you also have a lot of people who, it's almost like obvious what are they doing with that watch and the data that comes with it. I don't know if people are gonna buy it. I'm curious,
dude. 100%. I agree with you. You couldn't pay me to buy that thing. I would there's no way.
You want to talk about your shit listening to you? Let's talk about having Facebook on your wrist.
Yeah, I mean, dude, like, no way. Like, you would have to give it to me for free, and then you would still have to guarantee me some way that this thing is not going to track every single thing that I do. And it's just, it's interesting, man. It's interesting. I'm going to hit on a couple things, Manny, unless you still have a couple things you want to cover.
No, I mean, I'm really gonna wait for some direction, but off the gates, if it does come, all I'm watching is the video short, like below pre-market lows and Tesla above 610. That's all I'm really after today. You could go ahead. Don't worry about
me. Okay. So for me, guys, I don't have a giant watch list today. I do have a large list of pennies to watch, but the reason I say I don't have a giant watch is because there's not a lot of news-driven plays. And typically for me, like if I'm going to trade a penny stock, it's got to have news behind it. If it's just running on pure volume for no reason, I'm a little bit reluctant to really take the trade. Because pennies, especially low floats, they run for a reason. They just don't run to run. It's not Apple. It's not your Teslas. So just that's how pretty much I take low floats and pennies. But VRNA is one of the stocks that I'll be watching today. They released a new medication that will be produced in China, and they have already entered into a contractual agreement. The medication is essentially a steroid inhaler with an anti-inflammatory compound and a bronchodilator in one. So typically you get those, I think, separately. And in this instance, it's like a 2-in-1 medication versus having to take 2 separate ones. So, that's kind of good for the company. We'll see how price reacts.
Bronchial dilation.
I'm sorry?
I said I prefer my bronchial dilation all natural.
Oh, I'm sure, especially with the pollen where you're at.
Yeah.
And then the next stock that I'm actually watching for another trade. So I actually took this in pre-market and made 20% on it. It was a nice scalp. It's a MDLY Medley Management.
Oh wow!
They had a 13G filed, which means that somebody has acquired more than 5% of the float, which is pretty high, right? Especially for something that's a low float. It tends to drive up the price of the stock pretty quickly. I entered right around $10, and I exited roughly around the 12 to 12.25. I was scaling out of positions. I actually, based off that trade, I hit my daily goal. I went fairly heavy into the trade, but I'm still going to be taking a couple light trades here and there early in the day.
Yeah.
Just to see how the overall market's doing and see if we can catch some good runners. Another one to watch is XIN. XIN is a Chinese real estate company. They have jumped up roughly about 20% in pre-market, and it's mainly due to them completing 5 new construction properties in China. These guys tend to build like giant skyscrapers. So when people think about the housing market in the United States, and it's like, oh, the housing market's like super hot in the US, it's not just hot in the US, it's hot worldwide. There's some countries where the real estate market is not hot. China is not one of them. China's real estate market is very hot right now. So I'm definitely going to keep this company on watch over the next couple days to see if they potentially get any price target raises or if they start running really hard. Volume has kind of died down in pre-market, but I definitely keep it on watch. Another stock that I'm watching, and we were watching this a couple days ago, guys, was Clover, right? So Clover fell pretty hard yesterday, and I felt, in my opinion, that was kind of anticipated. I took profit at the open, and I didn't look back. It made a substantial run. I only had 200 shares left to take profit on. The rest of the shares I had taken profit on the day before. But here's what I'm seeing. There's about a $3 or $4 gap right now that you could fill on the daily. If we break yesterday's support in after hours and the support from pre-market from the day before, you could see a quick dump to 1373, and then another quick dump if it breaks that level to roughly 1244. So oil up the put cannon, get the shorts ready. If this thing falls and it falls hard, just make sure you're ready for the downside. And then I would do the same thing with the warrants. The warrants have a very similar setup. So you look at Clove W, it's literally the same exact setup, and you can't do. Can you short warrants? I've never thought about that before. I've never traded warrants that regularly. I've only traded warrants probably like 3 or 4 times.
No, I'm not that I know of. I don't know, to be honest with you. So.
Huh? Yeah. No, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure. Well, if you can short warrants, then it's possible. Like I said, I've never done it, so don't trade warrants that often to really even pretend to look. So that would be another option as well. Let's see here. And then Meds is the other ticker that I'm watching.
Meds.
Meds, yeah, MEDS. So they are working on providing some affordable care for pharmacy guests and like through telemedicine. But I'm not 100% sure like how lucrative that would be for them. And they've made some killer movement in pre-market, and volume's not dying off. So regardless of how profitable that is, maybe still worth looking at taking that. I mean, this thing is moving. Like, it's moving now.
Yeah, have you seen the previous movement on it? It is not super liquid.
Oh, wait. What time frame are you looking, bro?
You can look at the hourly or even the 5. I mean, the hourly should be a little bit better, but you can see.
Are you sharing your screen?
Yeah, I think I am. No, I'm not. Hold on a second.
Nope, you're just
there.
I think you're missing some data, bro.
I pay like 120. I pay for it. I think all the data, but I mean, maybe I had one expire or something.
You might have had one. I think you had one expire. Look at the chart that I post real quick.
Do you have which kind of candlesticks do you have though?
The regular ones. Yeah. See. That's your 5, right?
That's not what my 5 looks like, but
yeah.
Wrong ticker?
Nope, same one, right? MEDS. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think one of your what do you call it? One of your I can't think. Your data points expired. Your data memberships. So you might have to renew that. But it's absolutely going on a tear right now, which makes me want to get in. But I would rather get in on a pullback.
It's coming off of all-time lows too.
Yeah, so it might go on a decent run, man. Holy cow! If you look at the daily chart, I mean, this thing's off in the middle. It's in the middle of a choppy range.
Yo, look at SPY and the Qs, dude.
Uh-oh.
They're ripping, not selling off.
Dude, that's why. Dude, they're
gonna destroy this like 15 minutes into the session.
Okay, so I'm lost right now. I'm at a loss for words. So we absolutely have high inflation, and we are breaking through highs.
I mean, how bad is the inflation data?
We missed by 1.5%, which is pretty bad.
Yep. I mean, dude,
Manny. Sorry, did you tell me what the last year's number was, or not last year, last month's number?
No, I didn't see last month's number.
Okay, let me see if I can find it. Hold on.
Like,
because that's part of the game, though. right? We want.
No, yeah, I know. You want to see if it's a decrease or increase. I think it's an increase.
I think it's an increase, bro. I think it's even. I think it's an increase over last month. CPI May, or not May, but April, please.
Or is it 4.2%?
Yeah, so it's above last. Bro, I don't know. It's above last month.
Yeah.
And it's above last year.
Yeah.
Like, okay.
I mean, I guess maybe it's just to be expected.
It could be priced in, but if it was priced in, man, I'm anticipating a larger dump. Okay, so let's see where it's the worst, right? So if I look at it, okay, I'll say this. In all items, from an adjusted perspective, we are actually down 0.2, okay? From an adjusted perspective. From an unadjusted, we're up. Food is even. Food at home is even. Food away from home is up 0.3. It was 0.3, now it's 0.6. Energy last month was a -1 or minus 0.1, and now it's even, so it's 0.0. Energy commodities are up 0.6 from -1.4 to, actually they're up 0.8, so to -0.6. Gasoline is up 0.7 from -1.4 to -0.7. Fuel oil. Okay, I'm not sure what
coal
fuel
too.
Oil and gasoline. How's that different? Maybe it's, I don't know. Fuel oil.
Roblox is sued by music publishers on copyrights.
Ooh.
Oh fuck.
And it's not moving. It's not dumping or anything. It's just.
It dumped yesterday pretty hard.
I wonder if that news came out earlier yesterday.
Did anybody accidentally leave a Microsoft put? Because that thing pushed all the way down to 252 at pre-market. Dumped pretty hard.
Oh, listen to this, bro. Okay, so that makes sense. Energy commodities is down 0.2 from 2% to 1.8%.
I am missing data.
Oh, used vehicles. This is interesting. Used vehicles and trucks is down 2.7%.
Like in value?
Month over month. So April to May, we went from April was 10%, May is 7.3%. So that's a decent drop. Let's see here. Medical care commodities down to flat. Shelter down 0.1% from 0.4. Transportation services down 1.2% from 2.9. And medical care services down 0.1% from even, so they're negative inflation there. All in all, you're looking at 5% inflation versus prior year. So.
Okay, but prior year, I mean, that's one thing that, that gets me thinking, why are you using prior year? Prior year, we got shut down.
So here's what I'm thinking. If you really want to look at inflation, look at May 2019.
That's what I'm saying. Why are you going to look at last year? Because last year we were forced to shut down. I didn't have control of it. The government told my ass to go home.
Yeah, I mean, dude, May of 2020, I barely left my house.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. So, I don't know. It just market.
It is what it is.
Damn.
Yo, you saw what Amazon is doing, dude? Amazon is slapping UPS up. They told them that that's it, their contract is over. Amazon is getting all that business now back. Remember, you know how your packages sometimes come via UPS? It's done. Contract is ending. I know some people that work at UPS. I don't think it's fine.
Dude, that was weird to me because I thought they raised the revenue targets.
That's funny because then that news came out. Like, somebody fucked up there when it came to that news. Because they said that, and then they said with the Amazon news that they're going to see a revenue drop because of Amazon's going... And Amazon is their number one customer, dude. So imagine.
Dude, Amazon is going to become the, like, prime
I got
shipper.
it. My chart's fixed now.
You got it?
Yeah.
Nice.
I have to...
But,
what the hell is even that? I don't want to fill that out.
But yeah,
Oh,
dude.
yeah, dude, that's a pain in the butt. You have to fill it out or they'll take your data away.
Well...
The little questionnaire that they make you fill out on TradingView now when you renew your data.
1 second, guys.
You know what's funny? I have a new Flow Algo account every month for like the past like year or so, and I have used the same info on the exchange sheet every time, because I want them to know who I am. I want them to know that it's this exact person the one makes. So when they ask me, I can tell them your platform is shitty, and I'm not gonna pay you $150 a month.
Crack me up, bro. Dude, so I was looking at the Whales platform.
Yeah.
And they tell you. So remember how I was saying, like, yo, Whales is alerting stuff that's bought at the bid and the ask?
Uh-huh.
Whereas Flow Algo only ask. It never shows anything bought at the bid, ever.
Of course, because the bid is selling.
Exactly. But Whales will show you if it's been bought. If you pay for the premium, it will show you if it's bought at the bid or if it's bought at the ask.
Okay, so you could basically pick out for yourself if it's against the spread
what
or
you want to follow. You can even filter it out if you want to. And I didn't know that they had that, but you got to pay for the premium one. I didn't know they had that capability.
But do they have their own like website for the data?
Yeah, they do.
I'll probably give it a try, dude.
I thought about giving it a go. They had a free trial, I think, the other day.
Okay.
Every once in a while.
DM him on Twitter.
I did it. I couldn't put agree at the end. Then I put,
Fastly, Netflix, and V were added to the 5/9 EMA cross. So that's the first cross of momentum. Guys, I will say I am watching the video above yesterday's high today, right? So I have two trades for it: below 688 or above 703. Just keep that in mind. I'm watching both sides of this trade today. This is the only one that I think has enough volume and conviction to make a nice move. The rest are gonna get stuck in place unless they have volume. SPY is rejecting 423. We gotta clear that.
Guys, so if anybody is Georgie and mobile on, I just want to make sure they can hear me. Guys, if anybody's trying to buy ABML, number one, you have to. Sorry, my dog's going absolutely nuts. Hold on. Okay, so if anybody's trying to buy ABML, he doesn't like ABML. You have to buy it limit. You cannot market order ABML, number one. I've noticed that there are some brokers who are asking you to call to place the order, but I've noticed that happen before with OTC tickers and not all OTC tickers. I will say this, a buddy of mine bought some shares yesterday on ABML, and when he called his broker, they told him that, oh, it says here that they're actually going to be listed on the NASDAQ soon.
Yeah, they are.
Or they just gave him insider info just like that?
No, it's out there. The CEO
It's out
said
there,
that.
but it was interesting to me that the broker like already was kind of like, oh, you know, like, yeah, this is going to be on the NASDAQ. So, you know what I'm saying? Kind of like it's going to happen kind of thing.
Like, what do you know? You know more than you're telling us.
Right. No, it's not that. I was just surprised that they were just freely kind of just mentioning that, even though it's public information.
Everybody's scared of us because of Wall Street bets, dude. Everybody's scared of like retail investors.
Retailers, yeah.
Yeah, they're all scared. They gotta tell us everything now because they think that we're gonna just like dump their company if it's public.
We're gonna short you.
That's funny.
I would short,
cool,
dude. If I had $1 billion and a terminal illness, I would just short Geo until it dies. The prison industry complex, yeah, dude. I would short the ever living shit out of that. I'll go broke doing that shit. I care less.
Can you check who are the top equity holders of a public company? You can, right?
Yeah, you can.
All right, I want to check who are the top holders of Geo.
One of the bots, Manny, I forgot the command, but one of the bots in the chat, it'll show you like the top 10 holders. I forgot what the command was though.
Oh, okay. I'll look for that later.
Are you searching it, Garrett?
Yeah.
No.
Give me those people's names so I know who to vote for.
To vote for?
Yeah, I know bro. I wouldn't be surprised you got politicians backing that up.
It looks like Vanguard, BlackRock, State Street.
Vanguard? Really?
Yeah.
That's how my mama's 401k is not there no more.
Manny, one of the things though that a lot of people like will give them shit for is Vanguard. A lot of their ETFs are like managed by bots.
Yeah, you're gonna tell me? In September, dude, you remember September? When the market pulled back hard?
Yeah, it's like,
dude, my mom came in and she was like, "Why is my 401k down so much?" And I'm like,
the bots.
It's the bot, dude. Like literally, and I told her, I'm like, I bet you all your money is on the S&P. How much you want to bet on this?
Oh, by the way, there's this. What was it? AEI or no?
Yeah.
No. There's a. Let me go to Quiver Quant.
Who? Quiver Quant?
Yeah, that's where I track House and Senate trading.
Bro, if they started buying AEI, I'm gonna be pissed.
Yeah, if they started buying AEI, I am gonna piss too.
No, they sold UPS right before the dump.
You know that's funny, bro. That is why I believe that if you're a politician, you should have a cool what's it called, Alice? Like a cool down period, right? That you can't trade before.
Yeah, but
yeah,
it's funny, bro. It's funny. Like I'm not a politician. I have a cool down period. My cool down period's a month and a half before earnings.
That's what I'm saying. And if they catch any trades in your statements,
bro, yeah, straight jail. Like that's it.
Yeah, straight to jail.
Yeah, straight to jail.
Straight to jail.
That's what I mean. Like it's just crazy. It's just funny, dude. Like 100%. All these guys, they go into office broke. They come out of office rich. Can nobody tell me no? Look at Pelosi. Can nobody tell me no? Pelosi got more money than my whole generation will ever have.
Bro, Pelosi's. Bro, you know who pissed me off this morning?
I hate all politicians.
What's her name? Elizabeth Warren.
Oh yeah, but she's like anti-Wall Street, dude. She says she's pro the people, and alright, that's not get political. But yeah, it's you know how it is. Everybody's like anti-Wall Street, but they're still getting the checks. Then it passes a tech manufacturing bill to China. Yep. Exactly. 100%. That is true.
All set. Yep.
What?
Hold on.
They bought Offset yesterday?
Wait, somebody in the government bought AEI?
Yep. 500.
Where?
Okay.
This just got filed, so it's a CEO who just bought 500 shares in a company whose stock has gone down 82% since February. At the AEI, that's worth taking a look at. Oh, look at it. Look at it already.
Yeah, it gapped up.
Yeah, it gapped in
the morning.
pre-market.
Look at there.
Oh, I guess they're buying, dude. I guess. Let's see what happens.
It's gonna make a rounded bottom, at least right there. Anyway, maybe a double top.
I think. It all depends on Musk, because if Musk says that they partner with AEI for making Tesla homes, every home comes with a Tesla, with a charger, with solar panels. I don't know what other shit he can add, but if he announces that, this stock is going to $50 on a bad day.
Bro, if this is what's the float? Hold on, let me see the float on this.
It's 770.
No, I don't think it is anymore, bro. I think that's old. I think they did something where they diluted the shares, because I thought it was 770, and I read something the other day that it's not.
Okay, they did that. That's fine. They only got 22 employees, dude. How is this not an OTC?
Oh, where's the bot? There we go. All right, float 7.4 million. That's still small as shit.
Okay. All right, that's fine.
Oh my god, dude! Insider ownership is 81. So okay, hold on. Let's do some math real quick. All right. So if float is 7.4, right? Dude, that's too many zeros. All right, and 81% is owned by insiders. That means that. Oh wow, dude.
That didn't sound like a moon wow.
Bro, there's only 1.4 million shares that are tradable.
AMC insiders sold large blocks of stock with latest updates.
But the issue is when all those insiders they're all gonna sell when offset pops. You get what I mean?
Yeah, you just gotta sell before they do.
But the issue is that how are you gonna sell before they do when if this is gonna take a cut? I don't know if you get what I mean.
Well, remember, the filing takes a couple days to come out. You're not going to know until the filing comes out.
Exactly, but they file, but those orders are already fed to the algos.
Yeah, but if people are still buying the hype, whatever.
Yeah, but right? Musk needs to give some news on AI. He needs to mention the company.
I agree.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, he was not for now. He's in hot shit right now, as it is.
Yeah.
He needs to get it
over
together.
all the crypto people that loved it.
Yeah, he needs to get it together because the thing that kept that man alive and going was that little cult following that he had. That's what kept Tesla. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh no, go ahead. You're fine.
That's what kept Tesla alive, and that's why it's pretty much made him the money he has. Institutions back him up to a certain extent. But if you lose the cult following and the institutions throw you to the wolves, fuck.
I just thought of something. Yeezy. I just saw Yeezy's line with Gap just came out.
Oh, I thought we were going public.
What is that? GSP or GPS?
GPS, and it's got a really great flag set up here on the daily.
Yeah, Yeezy was going public.
Well, I will say this is the ugliest fucking jacket I've ever seen in my life. It's despicable.
But
Some people are going to be insulted, but I think that I think Yeezys in general, bruh, those shoes are not that good looking.
Okay, I understand what you mean, Garrett. Yeah, we're gonna have to go back to the statement. I understand what you mean. We all do. All of you, we all listen. We understand what you mean. They're not that ugly, but once you wear them, they are beautiful.
You ever worn those old people shoes with the Velcro on the top? Those are soft too.
Look, Garrett, I think we're gonna have to agree to disagree on the shoes, bro. Okay, I own like 7 pairs. So,
I own 2 pairs of shoes. I'm not even sure. And one of them are just so.
Look, man, I get it. Not everybody's a fan of his style. I completely understand.
The Crocs. I might rock the Crocs, dude.
There you go, dude.
But those are outside of Yeezy, aren't they?
The 350 Boost, I just think they're like, I don't know, they're comfortable. Just my opinion.
Dude, I love them, dude. I love them.
Yeah.
Cool. Send me your souls. I'll send you mine.
I don't have mine already. I sold it for Yeezys.
Oh, well then send me your shoe soles. I'm just kidding.
By how some charts are starting to look, I think that I think we're flipping the sentiment of the day, but I'm still not that hopeful.
I have a feeling this run up is gonna get shot down hard.
Did you see the jacket I posted?
Yeah, it's ugly.
You know what I wouldn't doubt? There's a lot of flow for 425 on SPY. I wouldn't doubt that we push 425 this week and we just sell off into next week.
Dude, you should see the dark pool chart on SPY. I think SPY is going to inevitably rip to 425, and then I think they've already have the news article written. But I right now I see 430, 425. Like they're gonna, if they hold it up today, because like everything right now you can see if you draw a line at that last wick on May 7th, right across there, that 423 all-time high, we're making a rounded top there, and so it looks like we're going back down to support. But if the Fed keeps, or whomever keeps holding this up like they are, because right now, I'm sorry, but we had a ascending wedge that broke down bearishly and now is completely reversing and trying to break back into it to the upside. So seems a little bit, I don't know.
So what you're telling me is you're super bullish, huh?
I mean, I'm not going to fight the Fed. I know somebody who did that, and man, it changed 420 for me
I
forever.
wonder what happened to those 618, 410 puts, man.
Bro, I hope he's still holding on to them.
No, he's not. He can't be. If he is, nah, bro. No, he had to have taken profit. Remember that leg down? He had to have, dude, because if he held them, he woke up to like the most beautiful surprise the next day.
What, you mean a big pile of ketamine? Sorry. Oh yeah, we're still on YouTube.
Oh god.
Not me, it's a guy we used to know. Quality is 240p, rip? Oh god, why? Is it better, Joe Vertigo?
Yo, I hear my dog drinking water like if he's drinking out of a bottle, bro. Like your dog ever does that, bro?
Wait, no, he's pretty chill when it comes to drinking and eating. He doesn't like eat super
This
fast.
guy sounds like he hasn't drank water in like 5 days.
He probably forgets, dude. He's so busy, you know.
He's so busy sleeping, I guess, right?
Georgie said that today there's a Tesla launch event.
The Model S Plaid, right?
Oh, the event's today. I didn't know it was today.
That's how Apple pulled it on it. Yeah, look at fucking SPY going to break all-time highs. What the fuck?
What the fuck? Macaroni with the... No, I'm not gonna finish that.
Dude, I don't know why I have a feeling market makers are just gonna get everybody trapped and then just slam this thing to the ground.
I mean, it's got so much ground to slam onto. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no Elliott waves here. Nobody's here. Just Jerome Powell and an endless supply of money.
Who's Elliot and what you do with her?
Yeah, Elliott's gone. Doesn't matter anymore.
Elliott's dead.
Solly, are you is the quality not too good on YouTube? YouTube people report in unison, por favor. I just need to know. Oh my god, I don't know, dude. It either wicks into the 423.34. Yeah, bro, how are we gonna break into all-time highs? That's wild. Unless, man, sometimes I think that, like, you know how, like, GameStop fell yesterday, all the meme stocks fell, and, like, SPY held up for the most part. Like, I don't know, looking at the dark pools and stuff like that, they're like, all right, any money that we're able to collect out of shorting this or even to the upside, like, we're gonna just put it into SPY and then have Daddy Pal pump it up for us until we're ready to take profit. I don't know. Conspiracy theory. Oh. Atlas, did you see this?
What is it?
I didn't see the ascending triangle on SPY.
Yeah, I have that. I have the ascending triangle charted out. I didn't have the pennant that you had earlier. I was missing that.
Oh yeah, I got you. Yeah, this is a bounce off support. That's what that is.
Mm-hmm. And it's a nice little. Dude, it's gonna squeeze in one direction, either up or down. I don't think this thing's gonna chop anymore.
All right, guys, we got a couple seconds already.
Oh Jesus.
Yeah. All right, good luck, everybody. Let's see that direction. No FOMO, no chasing. I don't know what else I gotta take. All right, NVIDIA. Look at that down NVIDIA.
Whoa, what happened?
That was my freaking
That's
bunker,
just
dude.
Hey, SNEH, trim out of meds.
The Dow's pumping immediately. What is?
Yeah, the Dow is ripping, dude. Look at SPY.
Hey, BA.
Dude, yeah. Boeing is ripping.
Well, it looks like it's about to. It's breaking a downtrend as we speak. Look at that. Oh my God, the Russell's about to push too.
Dude, I hope you trimmed out of meds.
Did it
Selling
fall?
volumes, okay. Selling volumes really strong, man.
BA is trying to go.
It might pull back and bounce and rip higher, but let it do its thing.
I'm thinking about grabbing. Oh wow, SPY. That means Apple. Is Microsoft recovering? They don't always run with. Oh wow, they are kind of trying to recover here. What the? The price action on Microsoft has been wild lately.
You think they have more news coming, bro?
Who,
Is
Microsoft?
another big deal?
I was watching the video. It's starting to leg down. I'm going in below pre-market lows for puts.
Is it, dude? Everything's.
Yeah, but the Qs is not following SPY and the Dow. Nvidia's trying to wick.
Boeing is actually pushing pretty hard here.
Are you taking it?
I'm thinking about it. Weeklies. The volume, not bad. Oh my God! All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Manny, I'm gonna wait for this next 5-minute candle to close. I should have gotten in at pre-market highs.
Yeah, no, I feel you. That was the look at that shit. Jeez. I guess rotation from tech into industrials is coming up.
Mm-hmm. Here's CAT. That one's bouncing off a pretty significant trend line as well.
Roblox is heading down. Just broke 90.
No way. Are you serious? Yeah, put that one. If you guys want.
Poor execution on my broker.
Yeah, there's probably volume coming in because of the numbers. Because look at the volume on SPY. And you know how fucks with brokers.
Yeah.
Look at that wick on Roblox. BA, man. Oh my God, it's going.
Yeah, it's fucking sending it. A bit too late for me if I chase it.
Yeah. I can't,
You know how those green candles end.
I can't chase it either, damn it. Fuck me.
Yeah, I think NVIDIA is going to go to the upside here. It just wicked at VWAP. I've told you guys this before. When I get wicks at VWAP and I start seeing legs up, we might actually push up on the next moves. Watching NVIDIA here over pre-market highs, 700 calls.
All right, we should see a rejection here on Boeing. We'll watch it from here.
Oh, Amazon. Wow. Wow.
What's Amazon doing?
It's going. If it closes above 3,303, I will take it long. Because I didn't take it at the open because the HMA is right there.
SPY just broke.
Yeah,
Good stuff,
SPY is pushing all times high. The Dow is just absolutely sending it. Let's see if NVIDIA got some strength.
Microsoft is actually doing it, guys. Wow.
Plug news.
I can't keep up. Man, this shit's running.
Yo, plug volume just got wild.
Microsoft volume is insanity right now. What the hell is even that?
Guys, Nvidia's going for pre-market highs.
Dude, everything's ripping.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
I don't like it either. I mean, it's good. Like, I'm making money, but, like, I'm scalping everything. I'm not staying in anything long at all.
Jesus Christ, Microsoft. 257s. Those are $36. But I'm not going to take it yet. Just because it's cheap.
Yeah, Nvidia's going to close at the HMA at this rate. If it does, it's going to go the next 5.
Oh my god, Roblox can't make a move.
Nvidia, moment of truth, come on.
Buyers just ate those shorts up big time. Damn, Spy.
Come on, Q's carry Nvidia.
Watch Tesla.
Oh yeah, there you go. Thank you, DJ. I'll take Tesla over these highs at 610. Ooh, those contracts are expensive.
Yeah, I'm not touching it.
Manny, watch 611.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and grab the 257 contract on Microsoft now. Go, go, go. 257 this week. What?
Tesla's waking is rejecting the
Yo,
pivot.
What's up with my buying power?
What happened? Oh, data probably charged you.
Huh?
Data for TradeStation probably charged you.
What?
Yeah.
No, that should pay from a separate card, bro.
No. TradeStation data is with your buying power.
No. I mean, I have no buying power.
Exactly. I'm trying to tell you that it could have. Oh wait, were you trading equity yesterday, dude?
Yeah.
There you go.
Fuck. Well. Spies
Was that on your small account?
I traded equity on both my accounts.
Oh.
I've been moving all of my money over to TradeStation. Boeing's looking delayed up here. Well, that really sucks as I watch SPY rip all-time highs.
If continues, Amazon's gonna push height of day right here. Boeing is stuck in place, dude. Boeing has not made a push a higher height of day with strength. It's just been chilling there.
Christina, it's I think a lot of brokers are messing up. Like my account value dropped by 10 grand earlier, and it freaked me out. And then it just jumped back up to normal.
Jesus.
Yeah, like literally, it said my account was dropped $10,000 in value, and I was like, what?
Wow.
Who took my money?
Well, SPY. I know there's this dude on TikTok, man. He was like, buy puts. SPY's gonna dump.
Out of here.
All right. Well, if anybody took that call on Microsoft, you're looking good. So I'll just monitor that from here. Roblox $90 puts. The shorts are mad aggressive right now. I think there's some orders set below 90. I can't. I really can't at all.
I think the video is getting smacked up. It's not even trying to go with the Qs. I think there's selling pressure coming into this today.
Boeing, it's too far. Microsoft looks best to break this high right here, which it's up against at the moment. So if you're up on those contracts, feel free to trim, but you're looking good.
Tesla was a fake out this morning. Jeez.
$90 put on Roblox, guys. I would hold that, but maybe be out till next week as well. Dude, dude, Baidu has no volume anymore. It's done. Done.
No, that stock is done. The volume was Bill Huang. Are any of you guys watching Amazon? You see how it's moving so slow?
Yeah, I'm not touching it.
Dude, honestly though, Baidu, like if it could get down to like 150s, I'll load up.
Dude, the main daily support is at, if it breaks there, then it's got a lot more work cut out for it.
Breaks 150s or breaks 180? Sorry.
170 on the dot.
170. See, I wouldn't mind that, man. I want it to get down to the 150s because it could consolidate for a year. Just let me load the boat there, you know?
Yo, guys, I'm watching Tesla. Sorry, I'm watching the video around here. Over 697.30, which is the pre-market highs. I need some strength. The Qs are sending it. Come on, NVIDIA, wake up.
Hey, if anybody swung SNGX with me, I'm taking profit.
All right, guys. Congratulations. Please be trimming a little bit of contracts out, okay? But you look great. I actually don't know how you specifically look, but your contracts are looking great. I'm sure you look also wonderful this morning. Now I don't have anything to think about except for your guys' plays, so I guess. All right, fine, trading deal. I'll take the day off and not make money. Oh. All right, trim, guys. Trim a little bit out. You leave some runners.
Amazon right here, next leg up. Congrats if you guys took Amazon from my watch list. That was a nice trade.
An article on Microsoft just came out that said Microsoft underperforming the index despite impressive EPS performance.
Head off Microsoft.
Shut the front door. Oh my God.
Watch Tesla above high today.
Ford dumped. What happened to Ford?
It dumped.
I actually look like Christina? What? We don't talk about ourselves like that. It hurts the confidence. I'm sure you look like a freshly cut daisies over a babbling brook. Or something. Out of a hallmark.
What does that even mean?
I don't know. But it's provocative.
No one knows what it means.
Big.
It's actually, I used to say that in, I used to, like, when I tell people, like, I was trying to be funny when I was in, like, middle school. I'd be like, you smell like freshly cut flowers over a babbling brook. People would be like, what?
What?
Yeah.
Would you say white boy?
White boy say what?
Big looks good to 869.18. It should bounce there. If you don't see it bounce there,
is a sketch.
Big could break down to 67.69. But I don't know if Big will go that low, honestly. I don't think so. I think he'll bounce before that.
Wow, dude, Tesla is so scammy today, dude.
Yeah.
Guys, if you have some runners on Microsoft, do your thing. Oh, you know what? What am I doing here? Tripping. Really tripping.
Looks like they're gonna hold NVIDIA in place.
Ooh, I don't like that. Someone's setting up a hedge on P. Ooh, Big Lots is shit.
Alright, come on, market maker. What are you gonna do, man? Are you gonna dump this? What are you gonna do? Just pick one, man. I'm in here waiting for no reason, bro.
SPY. If it's SPY dumps right here. Anybody in Roblox, $90 puts?
Yeah, Tesla's getting so like shorted right now, dude. It's not even funny.
This is like, yeah, this was to be expected. And look at SPY still holding up.
Yep. No, look at SPY now putting back.
Oh, Georgie, that first or second candle, that's a good entry on OSAT if you got in there. Did it just hold?
OSAT, I grabbed some of that. I thought, didn't you call that?
Yeah, I called it the other day. I think it was yesterday or the day before when I called it.
I bought it.
I sold yesterday. like late into the night, like around like 7 or 8 p.m. Like right before the market closed.
I bought a little bit on Webull.
Yeah, I didn't see the gap up this morning. Holy shit. Because it ripped a little bit in after hours.
Hey.
So I ended up selling like around 7 p.m. yesterday.
Did you see the Plug Power news?
No, what's up with that?
Plug Power reports to build green hydrogen production plant in Camden County, Georgia. I used to play football out there. Yeah, I played football.
Nerd.
Wow, I can't get... God damn it.
Can't win nowadays.
I used to be almost like 200 pounds. I look like the tank. But not.
Big boy.
The skinny tank. SUV.
In the video is gonna try to push here. God willingly.
Alright, looking like it. We might get another leg up here on Microsoft.
Hey guys, AHT CEO is going to be on CNBC today. So keep that on watch because it's going to pump. You guys there? Can you hear me?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, okay. There was like some really weird background noise. I couldn't tell if my phone was messing up or what.
All right, guys. Microsoft next leg up. Here we go.
NVIDIA, guys. Pre-market high break. Hues are moving.
Add. I would add right here if I was in your shoes. Lightly. I wouldn't go crazy. Plug Power looks to get ready to break out. Do watch that one. You guys got my chart right here on the 5-minute.
Holy shit. Sorry. I did not realize OSAT is not even 1 million shares, bro.
What's the...
The float is 800K.
What? So somebody buys half of that and it goes to the moon. All right, Plug Power here, guys. Plug Power here. Why it is going to? It looks very much like it's going to break. I think might be off that catalyst of news. What's flow? AMC 120 calls on AMC. 120 calls 2 times. All right, guys. If you guys want to get into Plug Power, this is your entry here. If you want to stay safe and you're not scalping, make sure you go out next week. Let's go, Microsoft. Come on, make that high. It's up against looks like a oh yeah. Hold on a second, guys. This is where we fight. Yeah. All right, Roblox is not cutting above that 200-day EMA on my chart. I would cut any shorts at that point. Yeah, if you guys are out 2 weeks, you're good to go.
OSAT opened up with about a 40-cent gap.
So when that dumps, it dumps hard, yeah?
Oh yeah, when it dumps, it's gonna dump real hard. But also, if it continues to run, it's gonna pump to like 10, no problem. If they can keep it up.
Right.
Did it halt already? Nope, no, it didn't. Okay.
All right, if you're in Microsoft, if you're in Plug Power, Plug is looking really, really nice here. I didn't signal it in the page. Maybe I should. Plug 35 call June 18th. Oh God, not the roof is on fire.
most of the positions I was trading earlier were next week strikes. Oh.
All right, here goes Microsoft. Plug power, beautiful push. Let's go for you guys.
No, I hotkeyed and it rejected me.
DJ, type in the chat, please.
Yo, there we go. There we go, Plug.
Yo, guys, watch RGLS. Don't get in now. Let it pull back.
SOS. Oh, let's go. Damn, Microsoft. How's those contracts looking? I'm not even looking.
Pop later in the session, but I like that there's continuation on the pops. I will say that.
All right, guys, be trimming a little bit if you have the money to do so.
Ooh. $500 million Amazon pocket change.
All right, here goes Plug. Next leg up. It looks like 3250 is my next target here. Microsoft, guys, it's not making a significant new high. I see what is I see the potential here. So you guys want to take a peek at what that might look like. We could see some consolidation here for the rest of the day. So go ahead and take profit if you can. Or if you really feel like it, leave a runner, but I do believe that you're going to see a pullback here. In this, I would wait for this next 5-minute candle to close, kind of see what you get.
All right, guys, I'm light into OSAT. I'm going to add a little bit on these dips.
Wish, $30 calls.
The shorts are on OSAT hard, guys, so just don't go full size. We're going to pace into this one. We're going to size in and then see what movement's going to be like.
There's the reversal on Microsoft. So if you guys TP, great job. Watch SPY go retest resistance that it broke.
So one thing to take into account whenever you're trading something that's off of a scanner, typically what I've noticed is when something hits like the top 4 mark, expect the short to start popping in. It just depends on how much stronger the buying pressure is compared to the shorts. Yeah, so if it's in the top, in literally the top 4, so on a scanner you'll get the number 1 runner, the number 2 runner, the 3rd, the 4th, so on.
Hey, Atlas.
The top 4 tend to get shorted pretty quickly.
Yo.
What's up, bro?
Go look at CYH. All right, guys, if you have any runners on Microsoft, this is where we're going to watch them. I'm having deja vu right now, really hard.
CYH. Oh, I see it. Volume looks good on that, dude. That thing looks like it's primed to rip.
That's why I'm taking it to you, my guy.
All right, so I am light here, guys. Target 1770 on CYH. 1770. MVIS.
Oh my god, TEN 10 just ripped. I still have my EDU calls, even though they hurted.
Where's
Oh shit, Microvision. Look at Microvision squeezing, my guy.
MVIS?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's ripping. Georgie's in already.
Fuck. Microsoft, guys, I might have been wrong here. It might end up legging up. Keep your eyes on Microsoft here, guys.
Yo, I'm going to take the...
It might go.
I'm going to take the 24 calls 2 weeks out for MBIS. I'm not going to take equity. I'm going to take calls on it.
I do think that maybe it might be worth swinging some call options on AMC, but yeah, Microsoft is looking right here. Pay attention. If it ends this candle like this, then we might likely see a reversal. Does anybody have any runners on that left? Okay. All right. I'm watching. We got 5 seconds. We got to make a new high. 5 seconds.
Amazon has been completely sending it, dude.
All right, maybe TP another contract on this next uptick here. Let me go down to 1 minute. Okay, looks like we have the ability to make a new high here. We just got across that 256.27.25 mark right here. 256.25. We break that, we'll see a new high.
OSAT needs to bounce here, guys. I really want to see OSAT bounce here.
Plugged in. Go ahead.
No, I'm done. OSAT and everything else, I'm good. So I'm still in.
Plug did not reject. I mean, that was a very stiff rejection, but that was 32.25. But it did, in fact, retest the resistance that it just broke. PayPal, boy, you got to get that.
Yeah, Plug looks like it's going to try to build a flag here.
On your community health, I know it has the 9. Just hold. I think if you hold that one, you'll be good to go.
Yeah, I think it's
average
17, man. 1750 at least.
Yeah, average down if it gets to 1650.
I'm gonna. Yeah, I think that's a good spot. Actually, I see exactly what you're talking about. Right at the bottom of that first wick down, and then right under VWAP.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly where. If it ends up making there. Nice. PayPal's moving. All right, Microsoft's here, guys. Bids need to clear. AMC tape is moving insane. What? Alright guys, I don't know if it's gonna make it. Feel free to trim out. Yeah, that looks like a reversal pattern right there on the 1 minute high frequency trading happening big time. Yeah guys, go ahead and take profit.
Oh, Roku had a day. Not bad. Roku stuff.
Manny, are we all time high on SPY?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What do you want? 424, bro. we would have joked about these levels, bro.
Look at that. Look at that bounce off of resistance for Plug. Good exit on Microsoft. I hope you guys got out. We are going back down. I might even grab a 255 put. Oh,
you guys
actually,
see
I can't.
what Plug is struggling with, right?
Plug? Let me go back and look, bro.
Yeah, it's struggling with the 500.
Yeah. The news on it today is pretty big.
Did we go ahead and take profit?
The volume is not as impressive as I thought it would be for this kind of news.
Look, just came in. S&P 500 hits record high. With bad inflation numbers. China is laughing and rubbing their hands together like Birdman.
I'm curious to...
Oh my god, Baidu. What the fuck? I'm done. That is the price action I've been looking for weeks. God damn it. Oh my god. Look at that thing. It just ripped from 187 to 190.
Wow.
That's alright. I didn't even love you like that.
I don't even love you like that.
I don't even care. I left the side piece and turned into a whole wife.
Oh, wife.
Well, Baidu's going. Wish is actually rebounding here a little bit. Volume's starting to pick up. I'm gonna set an alert on that one.
Tell me how traumatized I am that I'm trying to open my TD bank account and I'm logging into the TD Ameritrade website. Nope. Today.
That's hilarious, Manny.
I was like, wait, this looks different.
Just go check.
Oh man.
MVIS has extreme volume right now. It is beginning to build what I usually would suspect. I'm correct on that. I think I'm going to end up being right on that one. So watch it hit this one again, right? This mark of 23, but be in and out of that. Don't get comfortable in a meme stock. It's not a Tempur-Pedic.
ABA wire. Damn it.
It looks like it's building another ascending wedge.
All right, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit more OSAT here.
It's not even bad to see. Etsy hasn't moved yet, but that pre-market pop right there is definitely something not to. It's definitely not. Damn, that's a big buy. 160 to 166. Yeah, I mean, you got more potential to run up with something looking like that. See how MVIS right here? It's getting shorted at that mark, or they're building something. Microsoft just pulled itself back up. I would just hang on. Plug, okay, go ahead and maybe either, if you're long on Plug out till next week, go ahead and grab a contract this week to the downside.
I'm giving you my wire number. Why do I gotta give also my account number? Whoever invented wire transfer should be hanged.
Alright, watch Microsoft here. What the hell is even this thing? PRTK. Oh wow, and it's about to dump right now. But wow, that ripped. Yeah, set an alert there.
All right, guys, just my 2 cents here. Watch 425 on SPY for a strong rejection.
There's a lot of option strikes there.
MVIS trying again, but like I said.
You think market makers will let it touch and then pull it back? Or do you think they're going to break it through?
I think.
Who knows? Maybe they're the ones without the flow.
This run right here is going to send us... I would say, I think we're going next week. We're going to run.
How far are we from the 20-day?
There's Etsy right there. Watch Etsy to 170. Got in at MVIS at the bottom. Nice job, homie.
Bro, I hate being colorblind.
I don't know what that is. I'm red, green, yellow. I can't. I failed the test, but like I couldn't be a pilot.
Yeah.
But I'm not that colorblind. I'm not like a dog.
I only see black and white.
Let me ask you a question.
What's up, brother?
If I send a wire tomorrow, or I get a wire sent to me, do I get it tomorrow?
No.
You should get it today.
Yeah.
No, if I get it sent tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you get it sent tomorrow, should you get it today? Yes. All right. What do you think? Price action slowing down a little bit here?
Yeah. I still see the same candle, exactly the same on SPY that I looked at like 2 minutes ago. It's exactly the same.
Hey guys, next wick up on OSAT. To 740, trim your positions. I'm not loving the wick action here.
Yeah, watch Microsoft too, guys.
Oh my gosh, dude. Why did I sell?
What is it?
I was in it last week and it wasn't doing anything, so I sold. And this thing absolutely went bonkers yesterday in after hours.
Hmm.
And the setup looked good on the daily, but I sold early because I was like, this thing isn't doing anything. Like, it's just dying.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I was playing the wrong expiration today.
Did you play
Look at
next week?
Tesla. Yeah, bro. TradeStation leaves that shit by default, and I didn't notice. I was rushing also, so it's my fault.
Hey,
Oh my god, Boeing.
Yeah, but shit, dude. Like shit money. Not even that. What? Here's the thing. When I noticed that something went wrong in the setup, right? I closed the trade.
Yo, what's going on with Boeing? Why is it? Why the dumpage here?
Probably.
That's not just a dump though. That's kind of like a cold-hearted reversal there. Hold on 1 second.
I got Tesla. That
Look
piece
at
of
this
shit.
violent.
Wow.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, that's a violent dump.
Yeah, I think it goes back to 250 on that.
Damn, is it that violent?
Yeah.
like
Because they
selling
pulled.
sector, maybe.
Yeah, if you go pull top trend line right here, you can see they held it and that they pulled that body. Like literally, they let it break out. They pulled that body right back underneath.
Yeah, dude, so you see why I didn't take it, dude? Like, I saw that coming before I was even in the trade.
Yeah, I mean, it would have made a great scalp, like beautiful scalp. That movement was amazing, but then it just reversed.
Oh yeah, it opened. It was a beautiful, like, what was it? Let me see. Assuming it was there. Oh yeah, it was like a $2 move. Sorry. Amazon was a nice one too, man, but it stayed stuck in place so much, bro. Literally, it just stayed stuck in place. No, I can't imagine, Alex. But yeah, I played 6-10 calls on Tesla. I played next week, dog, but they were hefty, man. They were heavy, like they were expensive. Is what I'm trying to say. And I faked out, so I cut that quick. And then on the video, I didn't realize I was playing next week as well. I gotta like double check the expiration. I don't know. I really feel like tomorrow is 6/18. I don't know why. AI, Tesla AI. There you go.
Get the fuck out of here. Etsy. If anybody's in Etsy, 170.
I hate this.
Plug power. Yay! I said grab a put. Don't grab a. So right here, that's a beautiful reversal there. Your PRTK. That one's making a new high. Etsy's making that EMA crossover look. So. Looks
I
like
just gotta say it. I don't understand how anybody can scalp with next week. The premiums were moving so slow, dude. Like when I say slow, I mean slow.
You'd have to be going like 30K or 40K into the trade.
And that's just so you can have a bit of like a blanket over you if you pull back.
Yeah.
See, here's the thing. When you have next week's though, when you go in the money, that's when you get paid too.
Yeah, that's
like
when you get
paid,
the yeah.
you get paid heavy there. So for me, man, that's like if I can afford it, I'm gonna go ahead and buy out next week if I think that this thing goes further than just a scalp. So that way I can cut the scalp underneath and then do what I need to at that point. So
No, that makes sense. I agree with you there. That does make sense.
I think Manny's approach was like scalping for like a dollar move.
Yeah, that's the type of approach. Like, because
yeah.
the thing is,
You can't.
Yeah, weeklies get IV. They get so many things that benefit you, aside from Delta.
Yeah.
They got Tesla. Tesla's fucking. If I tell you how many
Alex, are you talking about the Model S Plaid?
Plaid.
Wow, that was an ass of Tesla flow.
Yeah, people are getting ready for the event. They're gonna probably dump it after.
Yeah, more than likely. Watch Piedmont Lithium right here. They gapped up from 69 to 70, or 69 to 70. Now sitting at 72, kind of building a bit of a flag right now. So I'm going to be watching this one above 72.50.
Nice call, Georgie. Nice call. I wish I would have held my original entry on that, but solid trade, man. Made some good. Oh, damn, that was a rejection. Get back up there.
Oh, sad. Okay.
You guys, give me a second.
OSAT being poop.
No, but look at plug, dude. Is anybody? You guys held that, right? Is anybody in Etsy 170s? John brought that, or Jeffrey brought that up, and I just threw it out there for you guys.
John, don't cut just yet. Hold on. You were in light, right? Please tell me you went in light. I reiterated like 3 times. So just yep. Okay. Good.
Yeah, plug is fine, guys. You can't expect to break out immediately, but it might just continue to consolidate here. Go ahead.
OSAT, I'm gonna watch it for here's where my my stop loss is gonna be 622. If we break 622, then I'm gonna get out of the trade on OSAT. If you're in MVIS, you're up. If you are in CYH, you're also up. That was a call from Georgie. You should be up on that. Let's see here. Dude, that dip buy on OCGN was freaking milk. It was awesome. I also got a Tesla, but that's...
I need Atlas, BOSC, Better Online Solutions. It looks like it's halted. Nope, not halted, but it's at 420 right now. It's got decent volume setting up. Not super liquid, but might be a good penny play.
Okay, I'm gonna watch it.
I didn't have a target for Tesla, no, but I can look. I don't remember if I set a target or anything.
I bought some, Georgie, but I didn't buy enough to like literally lower my average like crazy. You know, I only lowered my average by like 50 cents.
I mean, 625 would be my first target. I don't know if I see it today. I might be wrong, but I would say 425 at the top. Etsy looks decent. Yeah, Etsy needs some volume though, man. Or it could just sit flat today and burn up contracts, which we don't want to have happen. There's dude, man, I'm gonna have to go to my long term and scalp. I'm ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna buy some of that BOSC.
I like it.
Alright, I'm in. There's also a ticker called DOGZ. DOGZ. That one's ripping. Alright, anybody in BOSC with me?
I am.
Okay. Excuse me. Right above you, BOSC. I'm in equity. I just filled at 424. Or no, I got 425. Ooh. I market, so for the most part. Do you market to sell out or do you limit?
Depends on how volatile the trade is. If it's like really volatile, it's wicking. I'll market to sell, but if it's like a slow climb, I'll limit.
Yeah.
But the one thing I noticed too, dude, and Fidelity's really good about this. So they have this like thing that they'll tell you how they try to like actually execute you at the best price. And they have something called price improvements. And year to date, Fidelity has made me $2,500 on price improvements. So like I go to sell market and it like actually sells at a better price than what market is.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So $2,500 is not a lot. Like last year, I only had like $600 in price improvements, like all of last year, and then this year it's like drastically jumped up. I don't know if you monitor that at all, Dem, but I know you limit sell a lot, so I don't know how often it would affect you since I market sell a lot. Watch YRD.
Look at Cleveland Bliss. Wow, that was crazy.
That might have been the ask was raised high. So there's something on Fidelity that you can do, and it's called directed trade and extended hours. That's also where your level 2 is. And if you order off of there, you can see your level 2, and you can see the bid and ask a lot clearer. And the execution's much better. You can also route through Fidelity themselves. Like Fidelity has its like own miniature exchange.
Hey, PLL, also look at Plug Power, still has makings of greatness. PLL, watch this one here, above, a candle close above 72.75. All right, BOSC, trying. Guys, my stop loss is just going to be 415 below that candle close. All right, I'm going to go ahead and 10:15. What are you guys in? Anything in? Hey, what are you guys in? I can keep an eye on it for you. Everybody doing okay this morning? No panic? Yeah, you look okay, but you could be just one pop away. So just be very careful. Your first target to break is 255.50 on the dot. You gotta break that, or if you break back into this channel that I have marked out, right? So right here, what's up?
Garrett, look at OSAT. What do you think of that, man? It's at a major support on the 5 for that time frame.
I think hold on a second. Oh, you're retesting.
Yeah, I want a second opinion on it because I like the chart overall. Like, it's a nice pullback. It's controlled, nothing too wild. The wiki action early